What's going on, y'all? Biker Dave here. If your American flag, or any flag for that matter, is not something historic, but it starts looking like this, you know, look at the fabric starts getting real thin, extremely faded. It starts getting hung on itself. Like this is probably a 5-foot long flag, which is generally too long actually for most people who are hanging it out front of their business or their house, because it ends up, when the wind catches it, it ends up getting caught on itself, like caught on the top or caught on a gutter that's going across or whatever, wherever it's being hung. It usually just causes more problems. So I recommend a 3-foot or 4-foot long flag, and you can get one that's got a little bit higher quality fabric, higher quality stitching. I actually will replace these when I go by a business or like a government office or like the U.S. Postal Service. They hang flags outside, and often they just look hideous because they've been up for so long. They need to be replaced with something better quality. So, I'm a very patriotic person, and I hate to see an American flag just really looking rough. And I will, I'll order one on Amazon or wherever, go to Walmart and get one, and I'll replace it, even if I don't know the people who own the business. I've done that several times actually. And say what you will, but if they don't care about their flag being decent and looking good and whatnot, I do, and I will swap it out for them at my cost. Anyway, many of you may not care about something like that, but I do. And I don't do videos of that sort of thing, but I do replace people's flags when I think they just look horrible and dilapidated like this one. Anyway, I got all kinds of videos on my channel, so check it out. Over 2,000 videos of all shapes and sizes. And if you've seen something like this and you want to do something about it, feel free to post your comment underneath here. And look for our social media links in the description. And y'all have a great day. Biker Dave signing off. Y'all have a good one.